What's up guys? In today's video, we're gonna talk about how to make $100 per day on YouTube without making any videos or showing your face. And no, I'm not talking about having to wear a face mask and just show half your face. I'm talking about you don't have to even touch a camera. But if you do want to wear a mask and just show like half your face, no one's really done that before, no one's really doing that. So it might just be a really cool idea, who knows? And I know there's a lot of talented creators out there who would love to create and have a YouTube channel, but just don't want to get in front of the camera because they know they can do it in another form. So this video is going to go over tons of options on how you can make $100 per day, really 100 to 1,000, way more as you scale and scale your online business through your YouTube channel. So stay tuned to the very end of this video where I go over the most exciting method. And also, if you've been tuning into my channel for a while, you know that my YouTube course is dropping within the next few days. So be sure, if you think you're interested in enrolling in my YouTube course where I teach you how to build, grow, and scale a profitable multi-six-figure business from YouTube, be sure to click the first link in the description and download the Subscribers to Sales Blueprint. All right, so let's go ahead and dive right into this video. Okay, so option one with making $100 a day on YouTube without showing your face is to create a mashup channel. Now, what do I mean by a mashup channel? I'll explain that in a second. But to start off with giving an example of it, one famous creator on YouTube named Evan Carmichael has a very large mashup channel in the motivational niche. So what he does is he takes a bunch of clips from celebrities, sports stars, people like Gary V and Tony Robbins, very big names in their respective industries. He takes them together and mashes up clips to put together things like top 10 motivational tips, you know, Oprah's 12 rules to success and productivity, really whatever that has to do with motivation and helping out entrepreneurs with being more productive and more successful in their online business. And so one thing that he's known for with his channel is he'll do an intro with showing his face. You don't have to if you don't want to. You could honestly record a video just with audio and have like a 10 to 15 second intro explaining what the video is going to be, but he chooses to show his face in the intro and also in the outro, which is kind of cool. And sometimes he talks in the middle of these videos, like he'll say, oh, and rule number 2 of Michael Jordan is blah, and then it'll go into the clip of Michael Jordan. So I think this is a really cool method. The only thing is that you really need to get permission to be able to use some of the clips that you're using, obviously, because a lot of his content is related to, celebrities and people that have copyrighted content. But if you were to do this in the sports niche or the health industry or another popular niche where you put together motivational clips, this could serve you really well. There's literally millions of videos within the motivational niche alone, so he really never runs out of content. I think on his channel, if he's not uploading daily, Evan is uploading at least every other day. So it's really simple to be able to put clips together because he's not having to get in front of the camera like me, do his hair, do his makeup. He's just really having his editor find the most popular clips of whatever he's talking about that day. The editor puts it together for him. His only responsibility is to do an intro and an outro, which really is super easy. You could make several intros and outros and batch them together within one day. And so Evan Carmichael is making thousands of dollars a day just on Google AdSense alone. Because if you go to socialblade.com and check out his channel on Social Blade, you see that he's averaging about 259,000 views per day on the channel. And so as a creator, when you make Google AdSense money with your YouTube channel, first you have to qualify because you have to hit 1,000 subscribers and you have to have 4,000 watch hours. The way you get paid from Google AdSense is basically per 1,000 views. That's also known as the CPM. And on average, I think it's Business Insider who said that the average YouTuber makes $3 per 1,000 views. So a CPM of $3 is about average for YouTubers. I would say Evan Carmichael's CPM is a little higher. It's probably around the $15 mark because his niche is very marketable. Advertisers love to market on his channel, and that's the key with Google AdSense is which content are you going to put out there that's going to get you paid the most from advertisers that are going to want to put advertisements on your channel. And so if you do the math, let's say he's averaging, I think, yeah, 259,000. So if you take that, divide it by 1,000, that's 259 times, let's say he's making about $15 with his CPM. That's approximately $3,800 a day that he's making on his channel just from Google AdSense alone. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're probably like, well, Marissa, he's got over 2 million subscribers. Well, yeah, he's worked hard. He started his YouTube channel years ago and he's worked up to that. But definitely you are able to do the exact same thing. I mean, imagine making just 10% of that. How much would that impact your life and your online business right now? I think it would be pretty significant. And if you work hard at it, you can easily work up to making $100 a day just from Google AdSense alone. So that would be about $3,000 a month. And the key is being niche specific on your channel and picking content to mash up that is very popular. All right, so here on my computer, and just wanted to say option number 2 for making $100 a day on YouTube without having to show your face is to create a fan page of a influencer or a celebrity where you could utilize their content with permission from them, of course. So what do I mean by this? Well, so we're on YouTube right now. I wanted to show you an example of a fan page I really think is cool, and that is Gary Vaynerchuk's fan page. So if you go to his fan page, this is not his YouTube channel. He has a separate YouTube channel that has, I think, over or around 2 million subscribers. And if you go to the About section, you'll notice that this fan page is owned and operated by this guy named Amir. He's 22 years old, a video editor, really a huge fan of Gary Vee. So he creates content that Gary Vee makes and just kind of mashes it up and makes it for his fan page YouTube channel because he loves his content so much, he wants to spread the word about his channel. So if you read in the description, you see that he has permission from Gary and his team to make this fan page. So you want to make sure that you're asking the influencer or celebrity or the team, hey, can I make these videos for a YouTube channel fan page? And most likely they'll say yes, because it's a win-win. It's winning for you because you'll be able to monetize the YouTube channel, and it's a win for them because by you making this fan page, he or she will be able to spread their audience and the word about their audience faster. And every single video says to subscribe to Gary Vee's official YouTube channel. This channel is approved by Team Gary Vee. So if you check out his videos for the YouTube channel, the thumbnails are very consistent throughout. And if you click on any one of these videos, you will see, oh cool, Roberto Blake and Gary Vaynerchuk. So you see the watermark that this guy has created for the fan page. That's pretty cool. And yeah, this is what Amir is doing with Gary Vee's YouTube channel or fan page channel. And if you go to Social Blade to try to figure out approximately how much this guy is making with this channel. Now keep in mind, this channel is only 2 years old. He posted the first video on this Gary Vee fan page about 2 years ago exactly. So it's taken approximately that long to build the channel. So if we go to Social Blade and check out the Gary Vee fan page, we'll see that this fan page is averaging approximately 19,000, almost 20,000 views per day. And I would assume that this fan page is making about a $15 minimum CPM. So if you do the math, you divide this by 1,000. So that's, let's say on the low side, that's 19 times 15 equals 285 times 30 days in a month. That's about how much minimum this YouTube channel is making from this Gary Vee fan page. It's really, really cool. So just imagine building a channel and 2 years later, you're bringing in that kind of income, $10,000, potentially $15,000 just in Google AdSense from a fan page of an influencer or a celebrity. All right, so option number 3 to make $100 per day or more on YouTube without showing your face and getting in front of the camera is to make a channel with stock footage videos. So for example, if you go to the channel The Bright Side, or if you go to another channel called Mr. Luxury, you will notice that both of these channels do not have people talking like I am in front of the camera. They are all stock footage videos and they just use narration and words to create the videos. So the Bright Side channel is super interesting because there is no specific niche and they really have done an amazing job with their editing and getting better at their animations for the videos on their channel. As you notice with Bright Side, they have health, they have all kinds of random stuff. Fitness, they have a video about dimples, inside your brain, science, like all kinds of random stuff on the channel. But what's super enticing interesting about their videos, it holds your attention because it's very interesting and it tells a story with every single video. And when you go to a channel like Mr. Luxury, it automatically catches your attention because it is in the luxury niche. And automatically our brains are just wired to like and look at luxury for a long time. It's the same thing kind of with Facebook fan pages. And so you'll see when you scroll down on this channel, like Donald Trump's $3 billion empire and the world's most expensive hidden homes. Like, this is super cool. And you can, you know, really capitalize on a niche like this and create these videos for yourselves if you were to go and grab stock footage and put it together and edit the footage so that it flows in the same kind of way that their videos do. No, I'm not saying copy their videos. That's absolutely what I never recommend. However, what you can do are go to stock footage sites like pexels.com and pixabay.com, and you can type in, you know, private jet, and a whole bunch of stock footage, images, and videos will come up of airplanes and jets. And you can go to Google and type in, hey, the top 10 most expensive jets, and you can create a video and write a script about the top 10 most expensive jets or whatever it is you want to talk about. And so after that, you may be thinking, well, how do I know what to say? Well, after you do your Google research, if you can't come up with an entire script by yourself, what you can do is go to Fiverr.com or Upwork.com and hire somebody to not only script your video, but also narrate your video if you don't want to narrate anything on the video at all. There's a lot of spokespeople on Fiverr and Upwork that this is their job. They either narrate or they can get in front of the camera and also talk in front of the camera, and it's not you, so it works very well. And so the way you want to select, well, what is my channel going to be about, or what kind of content am I going to create? Go to these channels and go and sort by the most popular, and you're going to see which videos have the most views, the most engagement, and that's going to give you a really good clue on what you can talk about on your channel and what type of content you can create on your channel. All right, so now we're at the part of the video where I explain my favorite way to make $100 a day with YouTube without showing your face, and that is with basically taking it up a notch and making better stock footage videos, if you want to call it that. So I'm on a YouTube channel called Natural Cures, and this channel is all about, you know, the health and natural cures niche. And if you can see, you see that these are actually the most popular videos on the channel. I narrowed it down and sorted already, but these videos aren't like, you know, groundbreaking and, you know, the best production you've ever seen. They're great looking videos, but it's not like impossible to do yourself. So I'm going to show you how to create videos just like this with a great script, and also how you can monetize it even further beyond Google AdSense. So here's another channel. We're going to go ahead and stick with the health niche for this one, because this YouTube channel, Bestie, is about health, love, hacks, facts. That's kind of cool. But yes, this channel is similar, but these videos are a little bit more advanced. They have some better animation, but still, I'll be able to show you some amazing videos you'll be able to make and model just after these videos. So the first thing you want to do is you want to have a script for your video. Remember the last method, I showed you where to get stock footage, but the scripting was kind of tough. So if you go to a website called idplr.com, PLR stands for private label rights, and you're able with private label rights to have the rights to that product, to sell it, do whatever you want with it legally, and that's why it's called PLR. So if you go to products and you go to ebooks with private label rights, you have the right to use that content however you want. When you click on ebooks with private label rights, there's a bunch of ebooks that come up within different kinds of niches, and it's really cool. You can pick any one of these and create a channel around whatever it is you want. But since we're talking about fitness in this video, I'm going to use this insider training ebook so that we can use the script. You can join this website for free, and you get a couple of free downloads to access like tens and thousands of ebooks and PLR products. I think it's like $89. So it is really inexpensive, and I'm gonna go with this example with the insider training because we're sticking with the niche in this example of health. So all you would have to do is download this, and I've already downloaded it before this video. And when you open it up, it gives you the sales page, it gives you the text and the script of this exact ebook, and it gives you the ebook. And so when you look at the text to this ebook, it gives it to you in a Word document. You have an entire script here of something that you can create for your stock footage video. So this is really cool. We'll come back to this in a second. And you can even look down here. It says the rights that you have. Yes, it can be sold. Yes, it can be used for personal use. Yes, it can be packaged with other products. So just a lot of the things you can use this product for if it's
PLR approved. So then this is a game changer. I found this website called Content Samurai. When you sign up, you get a free 7-day trial. And also, I think it's pretty inexpensive if you were to continue with this business and get a real trial. But you would come to Content Samurai, create a free account. You could use it for free up to 7 days. I just downloaded it today. So then you want to come to create a new video. And there's a bunch of really awesome templates that you can use. And since it's YouTube, we want to use landscape. And we can pick any of these templates to put together. Let's say in our YouTube video or channel, we want to use blue as our branding. Okay, so we're going to click on the template and use template. And then you're going to title your video. So we're going to call it personal trainer. And then when you add the script, this is where you come back to your script or the ebook that you got from the PLR website, and you can copy and paste it. Now this is a really long script, so you don't have to, you can just do maybe tips 1 and 2, and then you would copy first, copy, and then paste it in the script where it says to add your script. So then we're going to go to create scenes, and this is super cool. This program basically detects the words within your script and matches the keywords in your script with different stock footage that applies to your script is talking about. So tip 1, visualize your goal. So a guy running, right? That definitely applies. And then this, the keyword here is goal. So it has a different scene for every single thing you're talking about, which is really cool. But if you wanted to, for example, change this clip out, you can easily do that. And you can modify the text and everything. You can hide media. You have all these options up here. But let's say you wanted to do something else, like put running and find a different media clip, because this program has over, I think, 400,000 stock footages that you can use. So we can change the clip in and out and do this for the entire video. So this is super cool, and the videos look very professional. So once you're done with this, you've checked all the clips and they look good to you. You're going to go all the way down. As I mentioned, this is a long script, so it's a long video, and you're going to say, yeah, I approve of this. So you're going to want to add a voice or music to your video, and you can choose all kinds of things. You can do an auto voice, you can record your own voice track. And all of these are copyright free, so you don't have to worry about getting a copyright strike from using copyrighted music. So then once you choose your music, you're going to go to preview the video. And so now it's really cool. I'm not going to play it because it's like a 3-minute video. But once you do this, you can approve the video and you have a really awesome stock video ready to go to put on your YouTube channel, completely legal, completely copyright free. Then you can click on look good, continue, and then you can choose which resolution you want to download it at and generate your video.
So to take it a step further and make even more money on your channel, way beyond $100 a day, besides Google AdSense and monetizing with the YouTube partnership program, you want to sell affiliate products or really any digital product on your channel. So in the link in the description, what you could do is go to an affiliate marketplace like clickbank.com, ShareSale, CJ Affiliate. There's so many different affiliate networks where you can grab an affiliate product that has to do with the niche about what your channel is about. And once you have that affiliate product, you can pop the affiliate link in the description and even generate more commissions and more sales with your YouTube channel every single month. So I really hope this video was extremely helpful for you. I know if you're loving this video, you're gonna love this video that is up next. And that video is about how to promote your brand new YouTube channel for free and to get your first 1,000 subscribers. And that video is up next. You don't want to be like this weird chick screaming at the top of her lungs at her neighbor saying, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Who is that chick anyway?